A very good evening to one and all. As you all know, I am your Basha. Welcome back to my channel, Maths with Khadar Sir. As you all know, yesterday we recalled some basic and important concepts like factors and multiples, prime and composite numbers, and prime factorization, and what is LCM and what is HCF. We recall these all concepts which are helpful as today's session, today's topic. Now, what is today's topic? As I yesterday told, how to find out the LCM and HCF of given numbers by using prime factorization method. As you all know, prime factorization method is nothing but writing the number. For example, if I given a number 24, we are breaking down that numbers into its primes, only primes, not in composite. That is prime factorization. And as you all know that you learned in the previous sessions, the previous classes, what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That is nothing but the theorem states that a composite number can be expressed as a product of primes of powers, primes of powers. That means what? A number has a separate style, separate unique style apart from the order. That means a number having a separate password, a number having a separate secret code, that which is defines the number, composite number. Now today we are going to apply that concept into this, how to find out the LCM and HCF of the given number by using prime factorization method. Now as you all know that our today's topic is finding the LCM and HCF of such numbers by using prime factorization method. For example, I am taking the numbers 6 and 20. What is our topic? Find LCM and HCF of 6, 20 by prime factorization method. As you all know, prime factorization, as we said in the previous classes, as we learned in the previous videos, what is prime factorization. If anyone did not see that video, if anyone did not watch that video, go and watch that videos, as well as the fundamental theorem of arithmetic also. Now come to today's session, we have to find out the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20. How to find out that? As you all know, to find out the prime factors of a number, only prime factors of a number, we have factor tree, which is you learned in the previous classes, in the primary classes. Now that is so easy method. First find out the prime factors of 6, factor tree. Now see, as you all know, can we start our factorization of prime numbers from 1? No. Why? Because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we are starting with 2, which is a one and only even prime number. And in 2 table, 6 how many times? 3 times. 2 3s are 6. If you observe here, no more factors of 2 and 3 other than 1. Other than 1. And 1 also is not a prime number. So we should not write another step, right? 2 into 1, 1 into 2, 3, 1 into 3, not like that. So we should stop here and write the factors. What are the factors? Nothing but 2 into 3. And it is called, and this is called prime factorization of 6. What is that? 2 into 3. This is one part. Now see second one. What is that? 20. This is also apply the prime factor tree. We should not write 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now start with the least prime number, the shortest prime number, 2. In 2 table 20 how many times? 10 times. Again start with 2. How many times? 2 5s are 10. See, if you see, this is prime and this is prime, this is prime. At last, these two are also primes. Then same here, no factor is other than for this 2, and one should not write in factor 3. Why? Because this is not what? Prime number nor composite number. Now write the factorization of 20. What is that? 2 into 2 into 5. As you learned in the fundamental theorem of arithmetic that a composite number can be expressed as product of primes of powers. Now what is that? 2 how many times? 2 times. That means 2 square into 5. And this is the prime factorization of 20 and this is the prime factorization of 6. This is the one method. Now let's see the second method by using the LCM. Now in LCM also we have different types. That means finding the factors of 6 at a time and 20 at a time and finding the both at a time. Now see here 6 by using ladder method, into table 3 times, into table 3 times. Here prime factorization of 6 is nothing but 2 into 3, which is same as previous one, factor 3. Now next 20 by using ladder method, 2 times 10 into table 5 times enough. These are the prime factorizations of 20. What is that? 2 into 5, and that is nothing but 2 square into 5. This is the prime factorization. Now you all know that how to find out the factorization, prime factorization of such numbers. Now in this only we have that what is prime factorization of 6 is 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 20 is 2 square into 5. This is the prime factorization of these two numbers. Now how to find out the LCM and HCF by using this? Same as what I said, find at a time or both times. Now I am finding at a time, 6 comma 20 into table 3 times 10 times. Now again the number which is not going in a particular number, we should write the number same, 3 10 5 times. If you observe here we have the factors. We have to multiply that all factors to find out the LCM. What is that? 2 into 3 into 5. What is that? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. This is the LCM of 6 and 20. Now coming to find out the HCF, same as right, is same as, see here in these factors what number comes maximum times? Here 2 comes 2 times and 3 come 1 time and 5 come 1 time. Now the 2 comes for 2 times. That means what is the highest common factor? HCF. HCF of 6 comma 20 is 2. This is what, if you observe one thing, that if you multiply the LCM and HCF, it will be equal to 6 into 20. It will be equal to 6 into 20. Let us see how it is possible. Now the LCM of, what we got LCM? 60 and HCF is equals to 2. Now multiply LCM into HCF is equals to 60 into 2. As you all know, for some time remove the 0. 2 6 are 12 and now add the 0. 120. Now this is about LCM and HCF. Now multiply these two numbers which is given in the question, 6 into 20. They also, see what happened. 6 into 20. Here also for some time remove the 0. 6 2s are 12 and add the 0. 20. That means both the LCM and HCF of the given numbers and the product of the given numbers is having the same answer. Now this is what if any positive two integers a comma b, LCM into HCF is equals to a into b. What is that? What is that meaning? Now we learned that LCM into HCF is equals to a into b. of given numbers. LCM of given numbers. A comma B, HCF of given numbers. A comma B. Here A comma B means what? 6 and 20. Now that is what, when such problems will be given in further classes, that is what they will give LCM and they will ask you to find HCF. Now for example, in this problem we got HCF is equals to 2 and LCM is equals to 60. For example, I am asking that find out LCM of the numbers 6, 20 where HCF is 2. They given HCF. Now we have this formula. Just nothing but this side it is in into. Now it will go outside of this, it will be by. Now see what happened to find out. They given HCF. We have to find out the LCM is equals to A into B by HCF. For example, if you see here, what is the A into B? A into B is 6 into 20. And what is the HCF? 2. Now 6 into 20, 120, and by 2 is equals to 2. Now how many times 2 in 120? 60 times. The LCM is, see here, the LCM is 60 times. That means when you know how to find out the LCM and HCF by using prime factorization method, it will be easy for you to find out the another method also. What is that? When they're giving LCM and asking about HCF, or they're giving HCF and asking about LCM, then you will use this formula to find out the LCM or the HCF of the given numbers, where they gave the LCM or HCF of the numbers. Now this is our today's topic. I think that you get the video, you get the knowledge, and in the next video we will do some problems regarding this concept only for 2 days in 2 videos, and after that we can start another new topic which is in class 10, real numbers. So until then, stay tuned our channel Maths with Khadar Sir. Very good evening to all. Thank you.